morning everybody. Assalamualaikum. How are you? Today we are going to recite a poem. The title of the poem that we are going to recite today is The Fat Cat. Kucing yang gemuk. The Fat Cat. I had a cat who was so fat he could not even sit on his mat. He had a hat that did not fit. He put it on and then it split. Very good, everybody. Do you like the poem? I do. Do you like cats? I like cats. Do you have cat at home? What are their names? Ooh, such a cute names. So now I want you to recite the poem again or read the poem and record it and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay? So that is all for today, everybody. Have a nice day and stay safe. Bye.